Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and to turn it on simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns on. Like this. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the GloryFit application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in GloryFit and tap on search. Scroll through the list, find this application, GloryFit, tap on it, and then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Here you might get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. As you can see, we have the pop-up about the Bluetooth one. This one is required, so tap on OK. And after this, we can log in into account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Get button right here, or enter the email address and tap on Get to create an account. If you have an account, you can basically log in, or you can also tap on the Skip button right here to make an or rather use an anonymous account. You don't need to create a new one. I'm gonna tap on Skip right here, set up the profile like that. And once you're done, you should see the home page of the app. But as you can see, we get a couple more pop-ups about the permissions, like location permission. This one is useful if you want to track some exercises and stuff like that, like running, cycling. You will need location permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use it, tap on Allow. Now tap on OK right here. And once you see the home page of the application, tap on the device icon. As you can see, we got another pop-up about the permissions. This is for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. And as you can see, we have this Add a new device button right here on the device page. Tap on it. Tap on Select Device. The app should start looking for the nearby devices, and it should find the device called IMISW01, and you have ID-D4F0 basically in the brackets. Select the device. After a couple of seconds, you will see the device page with your watch right here, but wait until you see this pop up. Tap on Pair, and after this, your watch should be paired with your iPhone. And also you may receive another pop-up about the notification permission for the watch, so you can allow it or deny it. Let's wait a second or two more to see if we get more pop-ups, but it should be all, and looks like it's gonna be all. So once you see the watch right here at the top, the battery info and also the MAC address of your watch, it means that the devices are connected. You can also check this on your watch by waking up the screen by pressing the side button and then swiping down from the top of the screen. And here we have this icon right here next to the battery. This icon means that the devices are connected, or your watch is connected with the phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.